A for apple.
A for apple.
If I were an apple, if I were an apple, and I grew on a tree, and I grew on a tree, I think I would drop down, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me.
B for bird.
B for bird.
Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
C for carrot.
C for carrot.
I'm the lovely carrot, I'm actually a root. I love sunshine, I grow underground in places cool. I'm shaped like a long cone, orange or pink or red. A bunch of leaves that you must eat grow on my head.
D for drum.
D for drum.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
A sharp yellow beak and hooked talons, hooked talons, hooked talons. A sharp yellow beak and hooked talons.
It is a bald eagle.
F for frog.
F for frog.
Mr. Toad is good at drumming and his wife plays the trombone. There's a lovely little tadpole who prefers to dance alone.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
यानी कि अंगूर.
We hang up on the vine. We're mob of berry birds. We taste just divine. We are grapes, we're tangy and sweet fruit.
H for hen.
H for hen.
hen यानी मुर्गी क्या?
मुर्गा बोले कुकड़ू.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
आप मेरी प्यारी दादियों, आओ आइसक्रीम वाले अंकल के जाने से पहले आइसक्रीम खरीद लो. जल्दी करो दादी, आइसक्रीम वाले अंकल हम आ गए.
आओ आओ.
चिट्टी वहाँ देखो. पकड़ो.
J for joker.
J for joker.
दोनों जोकर बड़े प्यारे, उनके दोनों जूते अलग बेचारे. रंग बिरंगे कपड़े उनके, लोगों को कहते जरा मुस्कुराए.
K for kite.
K for kite.
पतंग ना.
L for lion.
L for lion.
A.
Wait, Zookazama!
Little bee! Bunga?
Hey, that was fun!
Hello to you too, Bunga.
Whoa, what happened to your mane?
M for mango.
M for mango.
Mango, mango, yellow mango, red, green and orange. Do you know? Messy and sweet, it keeps me come to eat. Breakfast or dinner, I'm your treat.
N for nest.
N for nest.
यानी कि चिड़िया का घोंसला.
Five little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the tree and all at rest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Wrapped up in segments, I'm citric with a pulpy flesh. My flowers are a sweet perfume. My rind, it helps your skin to glow. I'm an orange, sweet orange. I'm an orange, tangy orange. I'm an orange, sweet orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
मैं तोता, नीले गगन में हूँ उड़ता. मैं तोता, नीले गगन में हूँ उड़ता. फल सब्जियाँ दाना खाता, मिट्ठू मिट्ठू मैं करता.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Oh, where in the world did I lose my shoe? The princess lost her shoe. The princess lost her shoe. Hi-ho-the-dairy-o, the princess lost her shoe.
R for rose.
R for rose.
Ringa roses, pocket full of posies. Usha, pusha, we all fall down.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for his dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
T for train.
T for train.
The train takes us from place to place using a rail.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
Oink, 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 oink. The pig on a bus goes oink, 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 all through the town.
W for watch.
W for watch.
घड़ी
टिक टिक करती चले खड़ी, हरदम आगे बढ़े खड़ी। सबको समय बताती है, बस चलती ही जाती है।
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
सबको सैर कराया, सब लोगों ने मिलके बहुत मजा किया।
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Hey, Mr. Yak, you're pretty tall. You practically look like a hairy wall with those big horns.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share Coco TV 3R. Bye.